5 awesome natural cleaning tips you need to know. Welcome to FastKlean channel. Check out our videos below for tips on how to make cleaning fun and less intimidating. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home for a fraction of the price. Plenty of natural, cheap, quick, helpful and cheerful cleaning tips using everything from tin foil to vinegar and lemons that should save you time and money when you clean your home. Here are some easy cleaning tips that you need to know. Remove sofa stains with shaving foam. If your sofa is looking a worse for wear, try dabbing a little shaving foam on any stains, leave it to settle, then blot it away to remove the shaving foam and the stain. Make a natural laundry whitener with lemon. If your whites and linens have gone yellow or are marked with orange foundation stains, squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into 4.5 liters of hot water, and soak your clothes in it for an hour. Then rinse in the washing machine or by hand and dry. Use toothpaste to defog mirrors. If you get annoyed when, after a hot bath or shower, you can't see yourself in a misty mirror, toothpaste could be the answer. Just rub your bathroom mirror with toothpaste and wipe clean with a clean, dry cloth before you shower, and hey presto, an easy-to-use mist-free mirror. Remove rust from cutlery with an onion. There's no need to cry over rusty cutlery unless cutting an onion makes you weep. If your knives and forks have rusted, stick their ends into an onion a couple of times and the rust should lift straight off. Clean your bath with a grapefruit. Get rid of watermarks or stains in your bathtub by cutting a grapefruit in half, sprinkling on some rock salt, and giving it a good scrub. Have the other half for a nutritious breakfast. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend.